Okay, so we are back with Project Frontier, and today we're going to be installing these Sumo springs on our 2026 Nissan Frontier. Why are we going to have to be doing this? Well, after installing the Smartcap and drawer system and loading it down with a bunch of my tools that I had in the old Ranger, I noticed that the rear kind of sagged down a little bit. And when I say a little bit, I mean about 2 inches, because the spec is almost 35 inches from the floor, and we are sitting at about 33, a little less than 33. And that will affect one, ride. 2, you don't want to have the rear end sagging so low, because it could affect other systems in the vehicle, including headlights. They will not be pointing where they need to be pointing, and also affect ADAS systems with the radars and sensors not pointing the way they need to be pointed, and therefore may not work as accurately as it should. So unfortunately, that is a modern day problem. So modern day problems require modern day solutions. So today our solution is going to be, hopefully, these Sumo springs. And basically what this does, it comes 2 of these with a 1/2 inch adapter, which is optional. I may not use it. But anyways, this will replace the normal cushion stops on the leaf suspension. So we're going to just replace it with that. This is designed to kind of preload and remove that sag and help with carrying that load. I did look for load carrying suspensions. They do not exist for this vehicle. No biggie, but I had to find something, and this is what I found. Hopefully this will fix our problem. They come in different consistencies. You have a blue, black, and yellow. And for my application, I think only comes blue and black, and I chose the black because it's, I think, rated at 1,800 pounds. So I wasn't sure which one, so if we're gonna err, let's err on the side of caution and get a little bit more. Now, word of caution: this will not increase your payload capacity on your vehicle. It is not designed to do that. You're still restricted to whatever the manufacturer specifies. This will just help you carry that same load, which in this vehicle should be about 1,500 pounds. It's meant to help you carry the same load, but increase the right height to where it should be. That's all this is designed to do. This is not supposed to make your truck all of a sudden magically carry 10,000 pounds or anything like that. It is not designed for that. So just a word of caution there. So let's go ahead and raise this vehicle up and get to work. All right, so here we are underneath the car, and here's our original cushion stop. We're just gonna pop this out. Very easy. Here we have the original, and we're gonna remove this 12 millimeter screw, and we're just gonna install the replacement Sumo spring. Let's see if I can get this in here. Beautiful. We're gonna save these for future adventures. Okay, now it does come with some Loctite. I'm not gonna put it on just yet because I want to see if I'm gonna need that spacer or not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install it for now, test, and then once I'm happy with the result, I'll go ahead and install the now this is another thing that drew me to this product, is the ease of installation. It's just take out the original one, install this one, and you're done. I didn't want to make no modifications to my suspension. Okay, so there it is. Just hand tight for now. Let's go to the other side and do the same thing. Okay. Beautiful. Gonna go ahead and install these, and that is it. We have it in there, both sides. Only took a few minutes, no big deal. Now we're gonna lower the car and take our measurements and see if it actually did something. Alright, so let's go ahead and remeasure. Let's see what we got here. And we have about 33 and a half. 33 and a half. Definitely an improvement, but only by half an inch, or maybe a little bit more than half an inch. Yeah, about half an inch. So we definitely want to get closer to that 35. Let's go ahead and put that half-inch spacer and see what happens. Okay, so we installed the half-inch spacers. Let's see what we get now. Okay, definitely better. Doesn't reach the almost 35, so we're still about an inch short, but definitely an improvement. We definitely got an improvement. So I'm curious to know how these bad boys perform under load. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and install a little bit of a thread locker, because these things do go hand tight. There's no way of using a tool or anything to tighten it. I'm gonna go ahead and apply just a little bit of Loctite so it won't come loose or anything like that, which I doubt it'll come loose anyways. But and then we're gonna go for a road test. All right, so we're here with the test drive, and so far I'm very pleased with the performance of these SumoSprings. The ride height feels perfect. I don't notice anything stiffer or more rigid than before. I'm glad that I gained an extra inch from my ride height. Again, I looked at service data. What I failed to do was measure the ride height before and after installing the organization system back there. So I failed to do that. So I really can't tell you what it was before versus now, but I know that according to service data, I lost about 2 inches. So that's what I was trying to gain back. I gained 50%. I'm happy. I don't feel any adverse effects on the ride quality. Everything seems fine, and this was the product that I was looking for. I didn't really want to better slow down. I didn't really want to do any major modifications. I don't want to lift the truck. I don't want to change the geometry of the suspension. I just want to regain that ride height and make sure that I'm, you know, not sagging way back there. I still got to add more stuff to the back of the truck. And that's gonna add more load to it. I'm not done with this project. This is a continuous thing, and but I'm very glad that I found this company, SumoSpring, and it really was what I was looking for. Something quick and easy to help the ride height. So I'm very, again, glad that I found it, and we'll be further testing it as I add more load to the truck. And that's all I have to offer you guys for today. As always, I thank you for watching. If you're still with me up to this point, I ask that you please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and perhaps watch another video on the channel, as that helps me out a lot. As always, we'll catch you in the next video. Ciao for now.